Tunix, or Tunix, is a LLM post-training library for fine-tuning large language models. Tunix abstracts away LLM training loops and gives you a simple interface to define your own functional training pipelines. Tunix can often be compared with Hugging Face parameter-efficient fine-tuning library. The major differences being that Tunix is JAX native. JAX is a high-performance numerical computing library, very similar to NumPy, in that it provides powerful functionalities for data analysis. But unlike NumPy, it offers utilities and constraints that aid in running large batches of data processing in parallel on high-performance accelerators. Hugging Face PEFT is PyTorch-based and lacks some of the power and utility offered by JAX in this department. Tunix supports a variety of different fine-tuning techniques, including distillation, supervised fine-tuning, GRPO, DPO, and PPO. And since the library is still in active development, it will probably be seeing more techniques added in the future. For now though, let's get our hands dirty and try to make Tunix fine-tune a reasoning model. A reasoning model is a good test project for Tunix, as it forces the model to learn to format the responses, which is exactly what fine-tuning is most efficient at achieving. We'll start by importing the necessary libraries. I will be using Tunix together with RapidFuzz and TextStat for text similarity and readability scoring respectively. I'll get my reference policy and tokenizer model from Hugging Face, and I will also retrieve the training dataset from the same website, which we have already pre-processed before this task. Tunix has built-in support for loading models and applying lore adapters to them, so we use that. Now we have mutable model parameters that we can fine-tune. Next, we define the learning rate optimizers using optax, and set up the checkpointing mechanism using orbx. Finally, we define the reward functions for our task. The reward functions are crucial for guiding the model to generate better explanations and answers. In our case, we want to encourage the model to produce answers that are similar to the ground truth answers, while still producing reasoning steps in the correct format. Correct format is our primary goal here, so we will give that a higher weight in the reward calculation.